So what's going on? I'm going to try to do this video real quick. It's kind of cold, colder than I thought today.
On my hands I have the Xvive U3 wireless transmitter and receiver. And because it was very windy, I'm re-recording the audio part of the video. I will now insert the transmitter to a regular microphone. Any regular wired microphone will work.
And we keep going. The wind has managed to knock down my phone. This is win 1, Josh 0.
With the speaker off, I will connect the receiver and make sure the volume is down. Now I can turn the speaker on. The receiver is already on. Now let's turn on the transmitter.
Check 1, 2. Okay, now raise the volume. Check 1, 2. Testing 1, 2.
I'm gonna walk away and see how far I can walk away talking and still be picked up by the wireless transmitter. So I'm gonna walk away over here. I can't hear myself anymore, but hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully that phone doesn't fall down again. There's a lot of background noise over there, but you should be able to still hear me. Okay, here we go. Now we're still far away, more than 20 feet, maybe about 30 feet away. And I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this wireless system. It's a 2.4 gigahertz band, according to the manual. And this one has a broadband of 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz frequency response. And it says here the indoor range is up to 90 feet, and actual range depends on RF signal absorption, reflection, and interference. It does have 5 hours of battery life, rechargeable, in both the transmitter and the receiver. It works with XLR dynamic microphones and battery power condenser microphones. So this is a PGA 48 Shure microphone. And anyways, I don't know if it's still working. I don't know if it's cutting off. I'm going to continue to talk and continue to get away from it. Good far away distance from it. I don't know if this is working at all, but I'm going to continue to speak so that you can tell if there is any cutoff on the transmitter. Now out here, we don't have a whole lot of wireless, I guess, interference. This is digital, so if you were in a venue that they have a lot of Wi-Fi and strong Wi-Fi transmitters and receivers and whatnot, this might not work for you or for me. So that's why this is only one of the tools that I'm going to keep in my arsenal for DJing and MCing and doing ceremonies and things, but it's not going to be one size fits all, of course. So now I'm getting back to this. I can start to hear myself or out of the speaker. So this is it. I'm using the Bose S1 system, which I really love. Its battery power has lasted for many hours on playback, and you can also connect something by Bluetooth to play music. But right now you can see the connection right here.
So I'm going to leave you with a quick unboxing of the Xvive U3. They do look very well made, very nice finish, very professional looking. This is the receiver right here, looking very nice. And there's the micro USB port to charge it. This is to select channels. Behind this fitted foam, there's another compartment which has these USB charger cables, which is got one USB and it splits into two micro USB to charge them and connect right here. Some more papers, a sticker, the manual which shows you different things. For instance, you can use it as a wireless microphone or as a wireless media player. It also comes with this nice pouch which feels very nice, and you can store your transmitter and receiver right in there. And as I store away my Xvive U3, I would like to thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you found it helpful. Please comment below if you have any questions or comments about this video or anything you'd like to watch in future videos. I would like to know what you think, or you can email me at this email on the video. I'm JoshTorresDJ. Until next time.